Good day everyone. Today I will discussing constitutional isomers, also known as structural isomers. In this presentation we learn what constitutional isomers are, they why they are exist, how they are named using IUPAC rules, and why they are important in chemistry, agriculture, and industry. Definition of constitutional isomers. Constitutional isomers or structural isomers are compounds that have the same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms. Because the atoms are connected differently, these compounds has different physical and sometimes chemical properties. For example, the molecular formula C4H10 has two different constitutional isomers. Molecular formula versus structural formula. To understand constitutional isomers, we need to distinguish between a molecular formula versus a structured formula. A structured formula only tells us the number of each type of atom, such as C3H12. A structured formula, on the other hand, shows how the atoms are connected. Different structures can share the same molecular formula, which is why isomers exist. Why constitutional isomers occur? Constitutional isomers occurs because carbon can form four equivalent bonds. Carbon atom can connect in different way, creating straight line or branch chain. As the number of carbon atom increase, the number of possible constitutional isomers also increase. So, example, butane. Let's look at a butane, which has a molecular formula C4H10. It has a two constitutional isomers. The first is N-butane, which has a straight carbon chain. The second is also called as 2-methyl-propane, which has a branch chain. Even though they contains the same atoms, their different structure give us them different physical properties. Another example, pentane. Pentane has a molecular formula C5H12, has three constitutional isomers. There are N-pentane or 2-methyl-butane and 2,2-dimethylpropane, such as a unique arrangements of bond atoms, demonstrating how increasing the number of carbons increase the number of the possible isomers. So, 5 isomers of hexane. Hexane has a molecular formula C6H15 and has 5 constitutional isomers. These are hexane, 2-methylpentane, 3-methylpentane, 2,2-dimethylbutane, and 2,3-dimethylbutane. This example shows that the number of possible structure continues to increase and as as carbon chains become longer. Longest carbon chain. To correctly name organic compounds, we first identify the longest continuous carbon chain. Next, we number the chain from the end nearest of the first substituent. Finally, we identify and correctly name any branches attached to the main chain. Following these rules ensure each compound has a unique and standardized name. IUPAC naming. IUPAC naming is a system provide a standard method for naming organic compounds. The steps includes finding the long chain, numbering the carbon atoms, identifying substituent, assigning their positions or locates, and write the complete name. For example, 2-methyl-butane tell us that a methyl group is attached to the second carbon of the butane chain. Physical and chemical properties. Although constitutional isomers have the same molecular formula, they often ha- have different physical properties, such as boiling point, melting point, and density. Their chemical properties are generally similar because they contain the same types of atom and functional groups. For example, they can undergo combustions and halogenation reaction. And also the importance in many industries. They are used in foil production because different isomers have different combustion characteristics. They are also valuable in petrochemical industry, organic, synthetic, agricultural chemicals such as pesticides and herbicides, where molecular structures can affect a drug's effectiveness.